Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Focus RS, a car that has always stood at the pinnacle of Ford's hot hatch lineup. The Focus RS has long been a symbol of power, agility and practicality, and with this new model, Ford promises to raise the bar even higher. So, buckle up as we take an in-depth look at what makes this hatchback so special. The 2025 Ford Focus RS commands attention from the moment you see it. The aggressive new front fascia features a larger honeycomb grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a sharper, more modern look. Aerodynamic upgrades like the pronounced front splitter, side skirts, and an integrated rear diffuser ensure it not only looks fast but performs better too. A redesigned rear spoiler adds downforce and completes the sporty aesthetic, while the dual-tone 19-inch alloy wheels and low-profile Michelin Pilot Sport tires emphasize its track-ready stance. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 405 horsepower and 425 Nm of torque. Ford has tuned this powertrain to offer better throttle response and improved fuel efficiency compared to its predecessor. For the first time, the Focus RS incorporates a mild hybrid system to assist with acceleration and enhance low-end torque delivery. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and an optional 6-speed manual for purists, this car is a driver's dream. The performance upgrades don't stop there. Ford's innovative all-wheel drive system, coupled with dynamic torque vectoring, ensures the Focus RS maintains maximum grip, even in tight corners or slippery conditions. The newly tuned suspension system, featuring adaptive dampers, allows for improved ride comfort during daily driving and incredible stiffness for the track. Several driving modes, including track and drift mode, let you tailor the car's behavior to suit your driving style. The interior of the Focus RS has been designed with equal attention to detail. Recaro sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber trim elevate the cabin's ambience. The driver-centric cockpit houses a 2.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13-inch infotainment touchscreen equipped with Ford's latest Sync 5 system. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-fidelity BO sound system, connectivity and entertainment are top-notch. In terms of practicality, the Focus RS still delivers. The hatchback design ensures ample cargo space for a weekend getaway or your daily errands. It's not just fast and fun, it's also a car that fits into everyday life. Ford hasn't skimped on safety either. The 2025 Focus RS is equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. A 360-degree camera makes parking in tight spots a breeze, and the new parking assist feature is a welcome addition for urban drivers. What sets the Focus RS apart, though, is its character. It's a character. It's a car that combines practicality with exhilaration, making it an icon among hot hatches. Whether you're carving up a mountain road or navigating city streets, the Focus RS feels alive, rewarding you with every turn of the wheel and every press of the throttle. So, is the 2025 Ford Focus RS the ultimate hot hatch? From its bold design to its breathtaking performance and everyday usability, it certainly makes a strong case for itself. Ford has managed to evolve the RS formula without losing the essence of what makes this car special. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Ford Focus RS. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of this new Focus RS? Is it your dream hot hatch? Or is there another contender you're eyeing? Until next time, drive safe and take care.